Hello YouTube, in this video I will marry my new Rhino Rack 270 Batwing Awning with my good old ARB roof rack that I have recently extended to 2.5 meters. Bad news first, it is 2-person job to mount it, but it's even worse, it is 2-person job to open it as well. So if you travel alone, you should not open it according to user's manual. User's manual has 21 pages and it is mostly about mounting, opening and closing it. In the big box there is awning, user's manual that I have just mentioned, and second small box with some mounting parts. You are supposed to mount it with 2 delivered mounts, but I have ARB roof rack, so I am going to use none of these parts. I have to fabricate my own mounts and I decided to fabricate 10 mounts, and 10 mounts sounds better than 2. G-Wagon single tailgate is left-sided. When you park along right side of the road and open tailgate, you don't have to run around it with whatever you keep inside. So for G-Wagon I needed right side awning. Poland is more like camping than overlanding. There is no comparison with countries like Australia or Africa. Therefore there is also less choice in Batwing awnings. I decided to go with Rhino Rack because first it is available in my local internet shop and I can just go and pick it up. It has also perfect length of 2.5 meters for my roof rack. Alucap, for example, is 2.6 meters and that is too long because of my snorkel. Rhino Rack is not that expensive as other freestanding awnings. It weighs 20 kilos, which is reasonable, and spare parts are available in the same local internet shop. Luckily, I once built gantry. Now it helps me a lot. I decided to mount it just over top edge of doors so that the awning is as low as possible for easier opening and the biggest shadow footprint. I can also keep my side lights clear. My ARB roof rack mounts have around 10 degrees lean, so I just built the simplest possible jig to match this angle. I am going to have 8 mounts for bottom awning rail. I mounted this awning for test after I just tacked everything and it was solid already. For top mounts I searched my small scrapyard and found some useful tube, and there are going to be 2 top mounts bolted with 2 bolts each. Finally, I ended with accuracy less than half of an angle and I will call it more than good enough. I have also made some stress tests and 10 mounts make it super solid, so I can call the job done.